Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you all know that Samsung has added a brand new font style in lock screen after One UI 9 update, and that looks amazing. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S26 running on One UI 9 beta 4. Now if I lock my phone, and you will see this is the brand new font style added in lock screen. Now you can add this font style in One UI 8.5 and One UI 8.0. So one guy has converted this font style into APK, and you can install that APK on One UI 8 and One UI 8.5, and through that you can enable that font style on One UI 8.5 and 8.0 also. I don't know about One UI 7, it will work or not. Now let me show you how you can get this brand new One UI 9 font style on lock screen of One UI 8 and One UI 8.5. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S23 as you can see, and it's running on One UI 8.5. Now what you have to do is you have to install this APK first. Let me install this. Obviously I will give you the link in the description, and you have to watch this video till the end so you know how to apply it. Okay, first obviously you have to install this APK. You can see it says done, so the APK has been installed and it will not show here and there. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to lock your phone, and after that what you have to do is you have to press on this default clock. Now again tap on this clock. Now you will see this kind of screen. Now what you have to do is now you have to slide. Now you will see this three dot over here. Tap on here. It will directly let you to this screen. Now what you have to do is you have to select this one. This just now we installed this, right? Now just go back. Now here you can see this is the brand new One UI 9 font style. Now you can resize this. Obviously you can resize, and obviously you can apply the any color you want. For example, there are a lot of colors, obviously whichever color you want to select. For example, I will select black. So yeah, that's obviously it is not an adaptive clock, but this is the One UI 9 font style. Okay, so yes guys, this is how you can install One UI 9 clock font style on One UI 8.5 and One UI 8, I guess. So it looks amazing, and you can obviously, as I told you, you can apply any colors just by tapping over here, and you can also resize this. Just tap over here and you can apply the any color, whichever color you want to add on, or you can select the automatic, and also you can resize it. So this is the brand new One UI 9 font style on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8.5. So whole credit goes to this guy. This guy created this font APK. You can see this. I can't pronounce his name. The download link will be in the description. Okay, if you can't download it, just follow me on the Instagram and ask me. My Instagram ID will also in the description. Just follow me and you can ask me, please bro, give me that One UI 9 font APK. I will definitely reply on my Instagram. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.